do this when I want to.
Oh.
Now it's all just you got me on blast, yeah. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care.
What's up, people? It's your girl Nishoy and
The one and only, Nino.
no, people, as you can see in the title bar down below, we'll be doing the spicy ramen noodle challenge, right? So we'll be doing it on a timer. So Nina's gonna set the time on his phone.
Alright.
It's gonna be what? How much minutes do I get? 5 minutes.
5 minutes in them up once in the ramen. No,
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Nah,
Max. 5 minutes. Max. 3 minutes.
Less
4.
than that, man. Hold on.
4 minutes. Anywho, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. It keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. Also, follow us on our social medias. It will be on the bottom of the screen. Also in the description box. Now, we just made these ramen and look at it. Look here, people. You can see the steam coming from it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it cool a little bit before we jump dig in. Because we don't want to have bun up mouth with pepper and bun up mouth with hot water. Right?
Water.
No. I
Alright,
think
so
that's it.
4 minutes?
Yes. 4 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. 4 minute timer. So we'll be back, alright? Alright guys, so before we jump into the video, I have something that I wanna tell you. So what we did was we made the ramen with scotch bonnet pepper. Pepper. 1 pepper off a tree. And then we're gonna add this pepper sauce to it. Hot pepper sauce. Now the aim is to make the ramen look red. So let's see. Cause we're gonna like it a bad man. And also we also have some water on the sides over here. So in case we wanna drink some water, then we can.
I know hot food I do nothing already, you know? I said, may I go first? What
Get
me
1
do with
spoon.
it?
Get 1 spoon now?
For what?
We will measure it.
No, man, let's try something like that and we just drop them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's not 5. You're too wicked and tan bad. That even
Bruh.
5.
Shy. Oi. Even though I just saying pepper sauce and the hot still, so.
Yeah, it's good in that hot.
So we find out, yeah?
We'll find out.
Oh, yeah, I'm to this. Nah, man, put more than that, man.
I put more if I put more in a few.
Hello. Put
I
more than
wall
that.
you pit. Look,
Put
look,
more
let
than
me
that.
mix up
Put
here
more
and
than
show
that.
you. Come back. Smell that already.
Yeah, man, it's long as well.
Smell nice. Smell like pepperoni.
So, shall I make ramen noodle and no nice soup in it?
Cause the soup not supposed to be in there. Sauce supposed to be this way. Is that ready? No, Nina, if you're not ready so yet. Come.
Alright, just some more.
Come on for me, I'm ready and feel not to be ready. Alright, that's good.
Alright, that's it? Alright. I'm not gonna mix it too much enough, guys. Alright, after. Right after?
No. Alright.
Alright, ready up. Time ready.
Ready?
See time with it. 4 minutes on the clock?
Yeah, sure, you know a good 5.
Yeah, cool. Come on now.
Anyways, guys, on your mark, get set, and go.
Alright, 5 minutes.
He needs some milk.
Are you ready?
My hand can't set good. I have a hand on me. Woo!
Can't do this, man. I want to.
Oh. You want to say something now?
Hmm? Not as bad as I thought.
Me, yeah. No, man, you know.
Like you're struggling. Boy. Nishoy. You know, my plate bigger than yours, right? You still put more in it? No. Yo, you just look like this in Northern already. Go ahead and put it to 5 minutes.
2 minutes and 48 seconds.
Shy, I pepper seed that my taste.
Me know what that is. People, look what me know. I'm not allowed.
Alright,
Yes, I can't do it.
can do it, man. This one done, you know.
You know the face in the red, sir? You know, make more people like you can't do it.
I tell you. They can't do it. You try what you want to challenge and you try what you can't do it. Pretend them off like Ross.
Let me have hot.
Child's play.
Oh. Oi, just not done that. 58 seconds.
One minute. One minute try. Alright. Let me taste it.
People me can't do it.
Understand what?
No,
Yeah, 29. 29. Go.
You can do it.
Alright. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. You know?
Can't be possible.
Don't there's something more in the plate.
Me can't. It's half in
It's half, there's
flavor.
something.
Is it in a butter?
What? That's not the point. That's just what you want to do. It has something, man. Hello?
We're done. We're done.
Alright.
Time up.
So that means I'm kill myself and eat half of all this for no reason.
Yeah, precisely. No, guys. You know it. Come on. Can.
Tell them.
Well, I'm.
Child's play. Oh, let's start this. Child's play. Isn't it?
No.
I tell her when you're young and I make pepper pot, man. Oh God, man. Them
Pepper pot never
child's
so
play.
hot. See that people, this is my plate. Show them my plate.
Don't know
So
what
Nino finished, so Nino done. No
Plus, but he hungry. So yeah.
me put all pasta now man, you never have none of it.
Yeah, that's how you go in people with time they lose. They always find totally for excuses, you know. Isn't it?
Oh god. People may have heartburn right now. So here's what, me I go say me can get some sugar water.
So what?
Sugar water.
Sugar water or sugar and water?
Sugar water.
Or sugar and water?
Sugar and water.
When you say sugar water.
Alrighty people, so if you enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up.
Don't know.
Leave a comment in the comment section. Well, I don't know who win already. But in the front part of the video, just let me know who you thought would have won. Alright, peace out.
Right now, my motor